Is affiliate marketing the right business for you? You're not sure whether you should get started with this business model? Well, today I'm going to show you can get started with affiliate marketing for free so that you can test the waters and see for yourself if it's the right business model for you. This is Rupesh and welcome to this channel, Passive Income for All. If you are a brand new subscriber, this channel is all about helping you to find the best ways to making money online. So go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. So let's get started. Alright, so this is what we're going to cover in today's video. What is affiliate marketing all about? How to go about finding free affiliate programs. These are your business partners. What is a niche? We're going to touch on this topic. Then how to go about creating free content for your business. Then I'm going to talk about the essence of tracking and analyzing your business. And lastly, we're going to touch upon some of the most commonly asked, frequently asked questions. Who knows, you might have these questions as well. So I just thought to put it in this video so it can help you out. So what is affiliate marketing all about? So think of it as you being the digital matchmaker. You simply connect people with products or services that they are looking for, and you earn a commission every time they make a purchase that is based on your recommendations. In my opinion, affiliate marketing is one of the most budget-friendly ways to get started with an online business. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to get started for free. And now, why get started for free? Well, it's all about you testing the waters to see if this business model resonates with you, if it's something that you enjoy doing. You know, unlike when you look like with a traditional brick and mortar enterprise, it's a financial roller coaster. There's a lot of financial commitments. It's a different story here with online affiliate marketing, where you don't have to break the bank to see how this business model works and to see if you can picture yourself doing this. And if you are ready for it, then you can take the next step and financially commit. So yeah, I got a slide on the 4-step process on affiliate marketing. Step 1 is to choose the interest. This is simply what the topic or your business is going to be, or who your audience is going to be that you're going to be targeting. Then you're going to be building a website. It doesn't necessarily have to be a website. It can be any asset that you choose. You can use social media channel or YouTube or any of that. And then once you learn on how to get traffic to your asset, that's when people will start seeing the value that you're offering. They will click on your affiliate link. This will take them to the seller or the merchant. Once they make a purchase, you bag a nice commission. So that is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Now let's talk affiliate programs. What is an affiliate program? I like to think of it as being your business partners. So these are the guys that you're going to be associating with and you're going to be partnering up with. They are the ones who's going to be having the products or services that you're going to be recommending on your online asset. And they will handle all of your customer queries. They will provide customer sales, after sales support, and they're the ones who's going to be paying you your commissions. They'll split the commissions with you, and the commissions can range anywhere between 5% to 70%. It really depends on what sort of products you're going to be marketing. And there are tons of affiliate networks that are out there. Some of the common ones that comes to name would be like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareSale, but there is so many. Now I'm going to show you a little trick on how you can find an affiliate program for almost any niche that you can think of. What you need to do is go to Google and you type in the Google search bar whatever you're interested in plus your affiliate program into Google bar. Let me show you. So over here, I typed in kids fashion plus affiliate program. And as you can see, if you are in the kids fashion industry or business, there's so many different types of affiliate programs that you can join. Organic baby clothing affiliate program, 13 children's clothing affiliate programs, found by Flynn. 11 kids clothes, mud pie affiliate program. It's just a matter really of just searching and you can find almost affiliate networks for any niche. I done another one, golf plus affiliate programs, and here you can check out various affiliate programs. If you're into golf and you want to start an online affiliate marketing business about golf, there's so many different types of affiliate program. Callaway is one of the most popular ones, and I think there's a direct link here. There you go. Callaway Golf, you can become an affiliate for it. Like I said, most of these affiliate networks, they are free to sign up. So that's the really cool part. Now, let's talk about building your actual vehicle or your online asset. I almost forgot if we forgot to talk about a very important topic, which is about niche, before we jump into talking about the vehicle of your business. So what is a niche? It is who your target audience is for your business. It's basically what the topic of your business is going to be about. Usually they always tell you to go with something that you are passionate about, and the reason why they say that is because if you are passionate about a specific topic, you can talk about it all day, and trust me, it does actually tend to make the journey way more enjoyable and easier, especially when you have those hard days and you stick into a niche that you enjoy talking about. You will stay onto the track even though those days seem a bit tough. Now, a lot of people say they're not an expert in a niche, so they're going to shy away from the niche, and you shouldn't really do this, because even if you are passionate about it and you don't know much, you should still go for it, because as you're building your business, you're going to become more familiar with the topic at hand. You're going to be doing more research, and believe it or not, you'll actually become an authority in that niche over time, and people will start looking up to you and respecting you, and they'll be starting to support your business. Now, how do you go about finding a niche? Now, that's a very good question. It could be something that you are passionate about, and if you don't have any idea, I have created a video to show you how you can actually use a very powerful AI niche finder tool, and the link is coming up on this video, so you can feel free to check out that video. I use the clothing brand as an example, but you can apply what I've taught in that video to any niche that you are interested in. Now let's jump into building the vehicle for your business. Now in this part, we're going to talk about building the vehicle for your business or your online asset. Remember, it was step 2. It doesn't necessarily have to be a website, but the key here is to actually make sure you got free content. It's all about having content. I'm sure you must have heard the line, content is king. And the great part about affiliate marketing is that there are various different ways you can put out content there to attract potential buyers to your online asset. You can do blog posts, you can do YouTube videos, social media posts. Okay, I just put in pay-per-click advertisement. That is a paid version, so you don't have to go for that. I mean, a paid option, you don't have to go for that. But there's so many other ways. There's basically a tool for everyone. If you want to, you can use WordPress for your blog posts. You can then use TikTok, Facebook, Instagram for social media. Then for YouTube, you use the YouTube Creator tool. All of these are free. The key to remember is you need to be consistent. It's all about putting content day after day. You're building a business at the end of the day, and people are not going to just click on your affiliate link after seeing one post. You might score lucky, but the more consistent you are, the more content people start seeing on your channels, people will start saying, hey, this guy, I like what he's saying, or this lady, I like what she's saying. Let me check out more. They'll save your post, or they'll visit your channel. They'll become a subscriber. They'll visit your website, whatever it is. And then when they are ready, they will click on your affiliate link and they will buy from you. So we talked about this in the last slide on promoting on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Now you have to also keep track of what is working. For instance, if you have a website, then you can access your analytics via Google Analytics, and you can see exactly which pages are getting the most hits, which pages are ranking on Google, and then you can just simply write more content that's similar to those pages. And that's the very same thing across all social media, including YouTube, channel analytics. Here you can see which of your videos are performing well, and then just do videos that are very similar. It's all about refining your strategies so that your business can keep growing. It's all about doing what works and eliminate what doesn't work in your business so that you can become more efficient and you can spend time on things that will help your business grow. Okay, so now we come to the part of the frequently asked questions. First question, why is it important to choose the right niche? There are 5.5 billion people visiting Google on a daily basis. Now imagine you try to target all those people. So you're trying to be all things to all the people. It's just not going to work. You are stretching yourself too thin and your business is going to lose identity. You'd rather choose to focus on a specific target market, and you only need a small percentage of that 5.5 billion to have a profitable affiliate marketing business. Remember, at the end of the day, the niche is your playground, and this is where you want to shine the brightest. The next question is, how do you choose the right vehicle? Do I do a website? Do I do YouTube, TikTok, Facebook? Where do I get started with my affiliate marketing business? And the answer is that it depends on where your skills and your interests lie and where the target audience is lurking. So for instance, are you comfortable with using YouTube? Are you comfortable with being on YouTube? By the way, you can create YouTube videos without showing your face on there. Or you want to do maybe a blog post or a website where you're a talented writer. You have to assess your skills and see which one you're comfortable with or which one would you be prepared to learn more about. Then you also have to look at where your audience is hanging out. And initially it might be a bit tough to see where exactly they're hanging out, but one of the things I can tell you is to research your competition, because if they are in the same niche as you are, just see which channels they're using, which social media channels they're using, and then just basically go in that direction. Scalability. Certain platforms allow you to scale your business to a higher level. For instance, YouTube allows you to place evergreen content. You can start a channel and 5-6 years down the line, that very same video is still being watched by people. So you got to assess the scalability. And the last thing is, look at the restrictions and guidelines of that particular channel or platform. You know, some channels, social media channels, they might only be restricted in your country for a while. And so you have to look at the guidelines and restrictions and see if you want to make a worldwide impact with your business, then you might want to go for something where it's accessible worldwide. This is a very common question. Is affiliate marketing suitable for beginners? And the answer is absolutely. It is one of the most beginner-friendly online business models. It requires little to no upfront costs, making it ideal for those wanting to explore online entrepreneurship. And the final question, I'm not sure where to start my affiliate marketing business. Can you help me? And I can absolutely help you. Look, everything that I've explained to you, if you go into Google, your YouTube, you'll find all the information that you need. Sometimes it can be frustrating. Where do you get started? What do you promote? And if you're getting into the game, it would be best to have someone to show you where the pieces of the puzzles fit together. And at this point in time, I would like to direct you to my number one recommendation. It is a training platform that will help you get started, and very important, you get started for free. You don't need your credit card. They will give you access to the first level, which is 5 days of training. They will even give you a free website after these 5 days. There's a community there to help you get started. This platform has been around for 18 years. So trust me, I'm going to recommend something to you where you will get valuable information. And like I said, it's free. So after the 5 days, if you don't like what you see, then you can always carry on doing other research work to see which other platforms can help you. But I would like to direct you to this training platform. Click on the link that is below this video to see what it's all about, to get started. And when you click to join them, I'll be there to welcome you and show you around and help you get started with your online affiliate marketing business. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to break the bank. Look, there still is a cost that you have to pay. Can you guess what it is? Yes, absolutely. It's your time and your effort. But it's just like building any other business. However, affiliate marketing is a playground that allows you to test the waters of online entrepreneurship without a massive financial commitment. As I showed you, you can get started for free, and if you're ready, click on a link that is in the video description. Thanks so much for joining me on this video. I hope that it has helped you out. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below this video and I will get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can chat in my next video. I look forward to seeing you in my next video and wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye.